Leli ngelinye lamanoni abesho phezulu eBassline namhlanje kuseni. uNkosinathi Zwane owaziwa ngelika Mzambia ulandise ngokuhlangana kwakhe noMshoza.
Normally after school I would go there, ngenza ama rehearsals, watch amajita yenza into yawo la. So one of the days while I was there waiting, Mshoza also came with a friend Unsiki from her neighborhood, I think. And she saw the way I was doing my thing, and she came to me and was like, "Hey, dude, you know, I like the lyrical content. You know, Nami, I'm also gifted. It would be nice for us to make a team and work together." And I said, "Dane sharp good."
Yaguqwa kanjalo ke impilo yabo. Ingoma yabo eyadlubhedu iCortes neyabe isecwecweni azibula ngalo emculweni ngo2001 namanje isengezinye zezingoma ezingasoze zabuna kowekwaito.
Ngiyazi ukuthi umoya wethu uphukile sibaningi. You know, as heartbroken as we are, and I would also like to say asizame ukuthi simcelebrate ngenjabulo, because she was always happy. I've never seen Mshoza grumpy.
We were very, very lucky because the industry too, it's a very difficult industry. Many are called the entertainment industry, but only few that are chosen, you know. So she was very fortunate. She was one of the lucky few that was chosen.
Abangani bathi lendlovukazi yeKwaito ibungumama ozikhathalele ezithanda kakhulu izingane zakhe.
There was a day in 2017 December. She called me in the middle of the night. I was home in Limpopo, and she was crying, man. I'm like, "What's going on?" She said to me, "Tawes," that's what she called me. "Tawes, when I die, please always remind my kids that I love them."
uMshoza ushiya ngemumva izingane zakhe ezimbili kanye nezingane zakubo alamana nazo. Uzobekwa endlini yakhe yokugcina emathuneni ase West Park eGoli ngomgqibelo.